my YouTube channel with another tutorial to help you guys with the Shopify stuff. Today we'll be learning how to hide the variants which have been sold out or which are not available for sale. So for example, this is one of my client store where I am adding the code to remove the sold out variation. So let's take a look at some of the products. Going back to the home page. And for example, let's take this product. So this product have multiple sizes. 34, as you can see, 34 is sold out. 36 is available for add to cart. 38 is available. 40 is sold out. So my client wanted me to remove all the sold out variation. So it's hidden and not showing up in the drop down menu when they are sold out, or when the quantity is not enough, or when there's a zero quantity. So in order to do that, we will need to add some code in two files. One is product.liquid and the other is Theme.js file. Before we proceed to the tutorial, I would like you guys to request one thing, that please do not forget to subscribe my channel. There's a small red color button which you can see. Please press it so I can create more videos for you, and you can get more help from me regarding the web development and Shopify and WordPress stuff. My goal is to create more developers so they can earn more via freelancing or via doing projects, Shopify projects and WordPress projects. That's the end goal of this channel. By getting more subscribers, I'll be able to accomplish my mission really fast. So please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's proceed with the tutorial. So that's the code which I'll be using. I'll share the link of this GitHub file in the YouTube video description so you guys can have the code. And now let's proceed with the tutorial. First, we will add this code. From here, from line number 3 to line number 25 in product.liquid file. So here's the file, and we will be adding this code at the bottom of this file, and let's copy it and paste it here. I've already opened this file so I can show you guys and we can quickly go over this tutorial so you don't have to listen to me talking much. Okay, now let's save the file. Now let's move on to the theme.js file. We will also need to add some JS code in a Shopify theme. And one step I missed here, which to show you guys how you can get to these files. So you need to click on online store. Let me open it in a new tab. And when you see the screen, I'm currently editing it in debut theme. I'm using debut theme. So you need to click actions and then click edit code. And here you will see all of the files. So you will just type in here product, and here you will find the product.liquid file. I have already opened it here and added the code as well. Now we will add the code in theme.js file. Let's switch to GitHub again. So this is the JavaScript code from line number 30 to line number 48. This is for the theme if you are not using Brooklyn or Narrative. So if you're using any free theme of Shopify, you can use this code, but it should not be Brooklyn or Narrative. For Brooklyn, you will use this code from line number 52 to line number 72 if you're using Brooklyn theme. And if you are using Narrative theme, you will use this code. So as I'm using debut theme, I'll be using this code. Now let's copy the JavaScript code from here. And paste it on the Theme.js file. Hit save. And now let's review it. Now before refreshing, let's see. So size 30 is available, but size 40 is sold out. So when I'll refresh this page, it will show only the available variations and not the sold out variations. Now let's hit refresh. And here you go. Okay, the variant was already showing up in the URL, so we're gonna go back to home page and go to that product again, and check the drop down menu. Now as you can see, it's only showing the available variations where we have the quantity available and the products are not sold out. Now let's test some of the products as well to make sure we have completed the task as it was required. Here's another product. As you can see, it's only showing the available quantity variations where there's quantity is available and not being sold out. So by using this code, we can hide out the variations which are not available for sale or which have been sold out. Test it on one more product to make sure we did it right. Awesome. The code is working fine. So that was it for the tutorial. I hope you guys liked the tutorial. Once again, request is to like the video, comment on the video below, and share it as much as you can. Have a great day.